Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss various methods of assigning values to the variables. Tax rate equals to 5 will assign integer value 5 to tax rate variable. Price equals to 25.8 will assign float value 25.8. Cust underscore name equals to Sushil will assign string value to customer name. Product equals to pen will assign string value to product. We can use double quotation or single quotation to assign string value. We will discuss more about it later. Now, assigning in single line. We can use this method also to assign values to the variables in a single line. Text rate, comma, price, comma, Cust name, comma, product equals to 5, comma, 25.8, comma, Sushil, comma, pen. When we use this method, corresponding values will be assigned to the variables. Assigning same value to different variables. A equals to B equals to C equals to 5. This will assign value 5 to all the variables A, B, and C. Now, we will discuss about type function. Type function is used for finding out the data type of value of variable. Here, 5 is assigned to A and then type A is used to find out the data type of value 5 and we get class int. Here int means integer. When 4.5 is assigned to a type function, it will return float, means value with decimal point or floating point. Then true is assigned to A and we will get BOOL, means boolean. Notice that first letter is capital and there are no quotation around it. But if you use small letter without quotations, you will get error. Now if you use quotations around it, it will become string. And the type function in this code returns str, which means string. Strings in Python can be defined by double quotes, single quotes, and triple quotes. We will discuss strings in detail in coming lessons. Further, there is none type. Again, there are no quotation marks around none. Then we have list, which is defined by square bracket. After that, we have dictionary defined using curly brackets, then sets, and lastly, tuple. We will discuss working with all these data types in the coming lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.